Pure Energy Window Company is proud to offer made-in-Michigan windows that are built for Michigan's extreme weather. Here's a Pure Energy Windows customer, Joyce from Howell.
My husband died, and I had to decline on my purchase. But this company was so amazing, so compassionate, so generous that they decided to gift me those windows. And so I was really wowed by that. They're wonderful windows. I love them. They did a great job putting the windows in. My husband had been an Air Force veteran, so in honor of him, they took up a collection for me and brought it over and presented that to me that day too. They've just been delightful to work with, and I can't give them enough praise. I told them, I said, I'm going to sing your praises from now on. I would just encourage anybody that needs new windows to look into Pure Energy Windows.
Hi, I'm Adrian from Pure Energy Window Company. Whether you need windows, attic insulation, or exterior doors, we offer the best, high-efficient products in the market. Read our reviews at pureenergywindow.com and call us today at 1-800-NEW-WINDOWS.